If your drawing looks flat, even though everything seems right, this is usually why. In this video, I'll show you how to fix that using simple structure, no shading, and it's easier than you think. I'm blocking in a simple barn using boxes and simple shapes, not details. It doesn't need to be perfect. It needs to show what feels flat. That way we can fix it with structure, not decorate it. Now if I leave this as is, it looks completely flat because nothing is telling us what's closer or further. Now let's start fixing our flat drawing. Starting with our wall, you'll notice the top line goes down and the bottom line goes up. Now as things go away from us, they get smaller, and that's going to do most of the work for us. And we'll do the same for the roof. The top can be a little tricky if you're using this style roof, and you can use any style roof you want. We can help this even more by darkening our lines. Now dark lines give a closer feel, and light lines will give it a further away feel. We just fixed our barn with structure. We didn't decorate it, we didn't add details, and we did it without shading. Now I still feel it looks a little flat. Now let's add a couple of simple overlapping shapes. And when one shape overlaps another, your eye reads the front shape as closer. And that's how depth happens naturally. We didn't add detail, we just stacked simple shapes. Right now, the scene still feels a little flat. There's nothing pulling your eye into it. And now a simple path is one of the easiest ways to add depth. It gives your eyes somewhere to travel. The barn still feels like it's missing something. That's because we're only seeing the one face of it. Now adding a side door instantly make the barn feel solid. Now we'll put a walkway to the door to guide our eye to it. We'll darken the front to bring the barn closer to us. Now this already feels deeper even without shading. Now in the next video, we'll take the same drawing and add simple shading to it. And if shading has ever messed up your drawing, that's exactly what we'll fix next. As always, keep it real and draw what inspires you.